your life.
Hi, my name is Dan Hendrickson with Flooring Innovations. A product we've been putting in for about 8 years now is called Mannington Adura. The good thing about this product is it looks like tile, can be grouted like tile, but it's actually a luxury vinyl. Warm to the touch, an easy product to fix and patch in case you would have to ding a floor like a vinyl. You would have to replace a whole sheet. You can replace with one sheet, or one square, I'm sorry. Easy way to do a repair is just run your utility blade right down the edge of the grout. The grout is made of acrylic caulk, which also has the sealer in it, which I can show you how easy this grout can be cleaned up. This particular floor has been down for over 4 years on a commercial building, and as you can see, the grout is really dirty, and we're just going to do an easy replacement just to show how simple it is to pop one tile out and replace it. If you would have a damaged tile just like this, someone had a line in it, you can just pop one tile out. This product is put down with a pressure sensitive glue versus like normal tile is put down with a mortar based cement. We've been using this product in both residential and commercial. It's got roughly, I think, a 20-year warranty on the grout, and the tile will not fade, will not discolor. Normal tile that you would pull out, you'd have to take a hammer and chisel to, which is not fun. Plus making a major dust in someone's house. A vinyl, you would have to cut a square out on the pattern and use a seam sealer to seal it. But in time, let's say 5 years down the road, to go do a patch on a vinyl, your color is going to be discolored. Your vinyl is going to be discolored. So you're definitely going to see where that patch is. As you can see, this is stuck. But it's also releasable. This was down awesome. You can see the glue transfer. You can see the glue here, it's still stuck, still sticky. I'm gonna scrape out this grout, and we're gonna put the new piece back in, and then we're gonna re-grout it. If anybody's ever had to replace a tile before, you can see how much easier this is than regular ceramic tile. We have a hand broom. Right, shop vac. Basically, just have to make sure all these pieces are out with a broom or a shop vac. Thank you. Now, just so you can see, this has been out. And I'll grab another tile and line this up right into place. And this is back in. Just like that. Now, to prove that it's stuck, I'm gonna try and pull this up, just showing that it's still stuck. So, it is still stuck. The best way I would probably say for myself is put a little bit more glue in there, but it is stuck. It's not going anywhere. It's not gonna lift up. That's why it's called a pressure sensitive glue. You're able to pick it up and redo it, put it right back down, see it's stuck. And then I would just do a regrout and you're done. Simple as that. Mannington Adura, very good product for residential homes and anything really commercial as well. Thanks for your time. Okay, I'm back. I had to do a little bit of cleaning up here before I would do some grouting. I just wanted to show again the product. It's called Adura Luxury Grout. Ready to use, no mixing. Color was bone. Very simple. I mean, not really simple, but simple because I've been doing it for 8 years now and I stand behind this product and just knowing how to work with it. It is like a caulk, so you really only have like a 10-minute work time with this. And also you cannot get this overly wet or you will have problems with that. So it's just about knowing your product and knowing how to apply it, knowing how to install it. You can see the color of this now. That's the color what this is. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how easy this grout is to clean up. Once again, I just wanted to show you a floor that has been down for 4 years and why we can put a warranty and why this is such a hot seller in the industry and why I'm so comfortable installing this. I'm just showing you that this isn't harmful, it isn't scratching, there is no sand in it like a normal tile. You wouldn't be able to do this. Pretty simple. Just like a caulk. I'm going to use a float now just to show how easy this. Basically just use a float, nice and smooth. This gets all the excess off, wipes it smooth so it's meeting both surfaces, and just an easy cleanup. Make sure your sponge isn't soaked with water. There is no water in this at all, so you can see. So it's rinsed out completely. We put it in a bucket. One more washing. And then I'll do one more final wash. Best way to do this is you use one side of the sponge, make one complete pass, flip it over, make another pass. As you can see, this whole process has definitely taken less than 10 minutes. For tile, you'd be tearing out tile for easily 10 minutes and have a major mess, taking up the subfloor with it, whether it be wood or concrete board. And have to go through the whole process of setting one tile, waiting 24 hours for that mud to set up, and then come back the next day and grout it. We can do a complete repair in less than 10 minutes. And you cannot tell where it is other than how clean this grout is. This grout right now is called bone. It dries darker. Now right next to it you can see where this old grout is and the color of it, being 4 years older. I am also going to show you how we can clean this because it has a sealer in it, like a grout sealer, and we can clean that as well, and it'll come the same color as this. And then I'll show you a time lapse of what this looks like next to it after it's dried, because obviously this dries darker in time. Pretty simple. Alright, I'm going to try and do some cleaning here. It's Congoleum Bright and Easy No Rinse Cleaner, which also can be used for the same thing for Mannington Adura. They're both the same. It's just a quarter cup to a gallon of water. The mix is already done. Basically, you just pour some right on this grout. Pretty much it. You can see how light this is and how hard I was pressing it on here. So just a little bit elbow grease, it comes clean. This is a little less, and this is how dirty it really is. Basically the same thing again, let's add a little bit more. And this comes clean. When this, like I said, when this dries within 24 hours, this is going to dry the same color as this. And this is how dirty it was. So it instantly comes clean. It's an almond color bone or whatever it was. And it cleans up really easy.